Good morning. It is Saturday, and it's time for Goats in the Mist. We'll help Ange take care of the feeding this morning, and yeah, we'll get this day going. So let's get everybody done. Stinky boys are stinky boys. We're on Chicky check first. Make sure they got victuals and waters for today. Oh, they still got a quarter tank. They're fine. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Good morning, ladies. Misfire. All right, let's go do some hayage. Get everybody fed. Okay, the boys have their breakfast set up. Sig, you're looking good, buddy. Yeah. Gunner and his girls, Sparkle Farts and Flo and Ivy. The Dorper girls are definitely letting us know that they're hungry this morning. So mouthy. There, now the Dorper girls are quiet. Mr. Ramalam right there in the middle. Oh, second helping. The adolescents and Mama here have gotten their victuals. The buffet is open for business. Okay, on to Winchester's group. Okay, we got the big girls with Mr. Winchester. They're all set to go. And now all is quiet once again.